Today I am going to use a basic concept of geometry in this question. At a first glance, the question seems very difficult. But after seeing this video, you can think, okay, no, we can solve this within seconds. Okay, read the question, pause the video, draw your figure. In this, the question is, we have lot of perpendicular lines, we have to find one ratio. I am going to use one concept which is known as BPT, Basic Proportionality Theorem. It states that when we have parallel lines AM, BN, CO and there are two transverse lines, then the ratio of AB by BC is equal to MN by NO. This is the BPT and one of the easiest concept of geometry. Okay. So according to BPT, our AB by BC equal to MN by NO. I am just going to use this concept in this figure. You can solve this question either by similarity or by the coordinate geometry or by any other means. Let's try the BPT in this question. This is our figure. ABC is right angle triangle, BD perpendicular to AC, FG perpendicular to AD, EH perpendicular to DC, and DF and DE are again the perpendicular. Okay, can we say our point B, F, E, D are nothing but the points of a rectangle? We have to find the GD upon DH. In the point BFDE, in this rectangle, draw a straight line diagonal FE. FE is our diagonal. Say the point of intersection of F and E is nothing but O. This is our point of intersection O. And we know in any rectangle BFDE, the diagonal bisects each other. So can we say FO upon OE is 1:1 and O is the midpoint. Now use the BPT. Can we say how we are using the BPT? FG is perpendicular, OD is perpendicular, ES is perpendicular on AC. Can we say, okay, FG, OD and EH are parallel lines and FE and GH are the transverse lines on this three parallel lines. Can we say, if the ratio of FO upon OE is 1:1, then according to BPT, GD upon DH is 1:1. I am again repeating, these three lines, that is FG, OD and EH are parallels and the FO, OE is nothing but the part of transverse line and GD and DH are again the parts of transverse line. So the FO upon OE should be equal to GD upon DH. So according to the BPT, both ratios should be similar and we know FO and OE is nothing but also the part of rectangle and the O is the midpoint. So the ratio of FO upon OE is 1:1. So the ratio of GD upon DH should be 1:1. I hope it is clear to you. So our final answer is A. It should be 1:1. Can I say it is one of the basic concept of the geometry? You can solve it by the coordinate geometry or by other concepts. I hope it is clear. Just want to say, please visualize the question. Try to use the basic concepts because geometry is all about learning from the images and applying the basic concepts.